In this video, I will show you what to do if your Apple AirPods 1, Apple AirPods 3, Apple AirPods Pro 1, Apple AirPods Pro 2 keeps on disconnecting. What you're gonna do next is, if you have tried all the possible solutions and if you want to just get on with it, you just have to search for Apple support. And what you're gonna do next is not by doing something that is useless. It is very useful actually. What you're gonna do is just have to find a way to connect to the live support, because the last time that I have a problem, I actually contacted the live support and they gave me a real good solution. Audio or sound, continue, and you can actually see all the frequently asked questions. You can sign in with your Apple ID, reset it, anything. But if you have tried all the possible solutions, what you're gonna do next is just you can press on chat and you can chat with a live support agent that will directly help you and offer you solution that will really help your problem. And you just have to pass your serial number, submit, and it's gonna check that if it's a good if it's the original AirPods. So it's gonna do is your first name Albert, ensure email, because they will send you a confirmation and the proof of life support, like something like certificate or something. Use your email, put it on there, always true, and you can wait, I have to enter it a good way. Hotmail, though my email is not Hotmail. And you can give a description of the problem that you are having, always sometimes months. Again, my AirPods keeps on disconnecting, and you can press continue right there. And but since I'm just using this, I'm just going to close this before it actually connects. I don't want to waste any time just for your activity, and I hope that they are not annoyed by this. I'm just showing this to show you guys on how you can get on an Apple Live support to offer you a problem to your solution. Well, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.